of you rappers is kicking it half as hard as this. Call it quits, none of you rappers is kicking it half as hard as this. Call it quits, none of you rappers is kicking it half as hard as this. Call it quits, none of you rappers is kicking it half as hard as this.
See, when I tell y'all niggas to call it quits, I really mean that shit, man. Just in case y'all thought I was playing, I went and got one of the nicest niggas in the game for reinforcements. Joel, holla at him, man.
I hop on my bed and pick up the lead. Did you hear what the nigga just said? It's something I hear often. When I scribble, you're dead. Now hop in this here coffin. Look at my legs, so muscular for running this shit for so long. Some of my spit is so wrong. They hoping I call it quits, but I just flow on. Give 'em my dick to blow on. Uncategorizable, don't try to sit me next to no one. This is Mr. Shogun. Every hit's a home run. Cheer for the underdog. The first day of school, this nigga kicks was so run down. He felt like a clown. No money around. He tried to pimp the old ones. Enough of the past though. Been able to stash some cash. These last few years been Castro so far from my hassle dictating you assholes. I'll smack the shit out of you corns like a scene from Nacho Libre. Man, you should trade all your raps on eBay for an old White Castle burger. I'm nothing but murder, pocket juice, hoodie, and rusty burner. One of the shot the rosters, chopper clip insert. I look no further. Listen, I'm here, the nigga the fears. Freshman year, I'm finna learn ya. See if your man, I finally get the nerve to
call it quits. None of you rappers is kicking it half as hard as this. Call it quits. None of you rappers is kicking it half as hard as this. Call it quits. None of you rappers is kicking it half as hard as this. Call it quits. None of you rappers is kicking it half as hard as this. Call it quits. None of you rappers is kicking it half as hard as this. Call it quits. None of you rappers is kicking it half as hard as this. Call it quits. None of you rappers is kicking it half as hard as this. Call it quits. None of you rappers is kicking it half as hard as this.
I'm a lyrical genius, this is the remix. Me and my team is sending you niggas like Phoenix. Flow is the meanest, you never seen this coming, but you hear the hunger, now feed us. My niggas is ready to eat, and I am already a beast. Confetti to beat like I got some machetes for teeth. But the industry really is ready for me to sign me. You know what to find me, New Jersey where I be. Lost your mind, and niggas that try me cross the line, get hooked to an IV. I'm so legit, you know this did. I'm hot at the top of the stove and shit. Heavy metal flows, I rock and I roll with it. I hope you quit, y'all niggas ain't known to spit. Careers is over with, bringing it back to the basics. Rocking these stages, having control of it. The flows is sick, the beats is hard. Deliver it like it's a pizza job.